This is one of the most dangerous avalanche highways in the country. Sneaky and Six Shooter, and those are the names of the slide paths that they're in. Yeah, those are called Avalanches. They're French, and they have hydrogen and oxygen tanks in them. And we can fire those from a laptop in our truck, and it combines those two gases and then detonates them above the snowpack, which is a really huge shock wave. For a long time, the Avalanche world used 105 howitzers, and that's getting phased out because it's not a great idea to fire them over buildings and public spaces. And so as the howitzers have gotten phased out, everyone's transitioning to these sort of things, which are commonly referred to as RACs, Remote Avalanche Control Systems, which there's a bunch of different brands. This is just the one we have. These two paths that they're on are too high for us to shoot with the Avalauncher weapon we have. And so we were having to make a lot of assumptions about these paths unless we use the helicopter. And we don't like to use the helicopter every single time we have a closure. So this has enabled us to test the snowpack at a higher elevation than we were able to before without using the helicopter. Well, our main concern for the avalanche portion of the highway is to keep people moving and for them to understand that we can't allow parking or stopping in there. And unfortunately, a lot of times when the avalanche hazard is building is also when road conditions are deteriorating. So if people, have good snow tires and are aware of winter driving stuff, it really helps us out a lot. It gets complicated when you've got building avalanche hazard and cars in ditches.